I got a new playlist for today. The cat's in my way of my keyboard at the moment, but I know I secretly finished the animation in secret, so I thought I'd at least show what happened there. Should be brainstorm sounds. Hold on. No, this is not good. Oh, I also built this. Real quick. Look at that, we're learning some game dev, friends. Hello. Look at that. He's moving, and he's got animation while he moves. It's fantastic. So, I'm gonna actually change the music real quick. Get another one, go to YouTube. Rainstorm ambiance. Yeah. Yeah, let's get that, and then from there, we'll watch this. Watch it crash, though. Don't do it. It's gonna crash. Hold on. We'll fix it real quick. Of course, I just start streaming now. I have to go to the bathroom. That's fine. When isn't that the way life goes? An animation. I'll let you guys watch this while I go to the bathroom then. That's decent. It's about a minute or something long animation, so you know. How was it? Oh, I was expecting happy music when I got back on. I forgot that I put rainstorm sounds on. Here we go. To this now. So yeah. A game. We make games now. God forbid I ever put a typo in one. Alright, now we gotta get into regrettable information. So, at the the moment, much to our dismay, working on a Java breadth for search algorithm that finds the shortest path. So, I'm gonna try to adapt. I found this code, so I've been trying to figure it out for a while now. And I'm gonna try to adapt what I have to this. It looks fairly simple. So yeah, let's try it, shall we? It's a graph thing, we have this add edge thing. Get and add. That's an array list, so we're already on the right track. Hi, Cat. Hello! Welcome to Pain and Misery encoding format. Alright. So, got a thing going on? Excuse me. How does this print out? Yeah, okay, cool. I'm really about to, like, what if I just, like, copy and paste all of this and it works and I just move on from there? Pain and Misery? Perfect, yeah. We're all here together for it, you know? I'm gonna move my camera up. Come on, Anastasia. She doesn't care. She's super normal. Alright. Even if it's on different reasons. It's fine, we can all suffer together. Alright, so breadth search comes in. I'll turn that down in my head, because that's loud. I still need it. Alright. What if I just delete everything and just go right off this? Oh, hold on, we got two different... Oh, this is to print it. But here's... Okay, so here's the breadth for search thing. I actually have to read through this. Oh my god. Can somebody translate this for me? I'm struggling. Just take all of it. She's laying on my hand and now I cannot move my mouse. Anastasia. She's been like starving for attention though because I haven't seen her in forever. Every time I'm home, she's sleeping somewhere in the deep dark depths of my house. Should I just steal? Should I just do it? I might. I might just... Does this do it based off a graph, though? Array source, destination. Does it equals boolean, right? I did that. Okay, let's read what this says. Initially all vertices are unvisited, so it's all false, and no path is yet constructed. Set to infinity. What is this pred? P-R-E-D, what is that? Stores predecessor of each vertex in an array pred and assistance from source and array destination. Alright. So I'm gonna start here with kinda what is going on there. And hopefully be okay with that. I'm not entirely sure though. So we have destination, we have source. Int v. I'm assuming that's for vertex. Oh, it's working in JavaScript too long. Int predecessor. Let me get int distance. Which I started doing. I started doing a distance thing down here. But it just wasn't... I don't know. I was messing around with the location here, and I was getting real weird numbers. So like if I ran this... Hold on. Right, so I got the printout of every array and its like location. But then, here, it's supposed to be the path, I have it set for the path from 0 to 6, right? And it's supposed to find the shortest path. I honestly couldn't figure out what I was reading, so that it ended up looking like this, which I drew up the graph. That's not the right one. That's the wrong one. That one's missing a connection. Should probably delete it. So that's the graph. And when you look at the graph and compare it to the location, you can tell that that is not the shortest path. It is in fact 0, 9, 5, 6, but instead it just goes all the way down, which is not what we want, and then just stops when it got to 6, which it found a path through breadth for search, but it's not the shortest path. So I'm assuming, so the thought process, right, was to go through, find all of the distances, and then from the distances look through them again, and then like use like the total number of distances to get the thing done. But obviously I know that that's what I'm supposed to do, and I was trying to combine that all into like one while loop. Not working. I was getting some weird distances. Because I have a breakpoint there, so if I run and debug that, go into graph, and here's my distances that I made. My distances array. You go down, and it's like, where are these numbers coming from? It's just not working. 9's correct. 2 is correct, I believe. But, nothing else is. I don't know why. So that's what we're working on. I'm hoping this makes more sense while I read through it. If it doesn't, then I'm screwed. It's due tomorrow at midnight, and I want to be done it today, in all honesty, but I doubt that's gonna happen. Alright, so we got these things. We're just gonna initialize the queue in here. Because we can. Do I already have a queue? No, I don't. Okay. So it just lists scans per normal. Okay. Got that. Boolean array visited equals Boolean int v. Oh, int v is vertices. Okay. So this is not needed. So this is normal. This is... Everything's good. Alright. Here, all vertices are unvisited. So everything's set to false automatically, so that's fine. And no path is yet constructed. I don't need all I to be set to infinity. What? That's hilarious. Oh my goodness. God, I hope that's not serious. Congrats. Good for you. I have to put that on a sticker. You are nothing to me but another variable. Another variable that's getting in my way and that will probably be deleted in 15 minutes because I realized you were useless. What's worse than being a variable? Probably a temporary variable. Var temp, you're just there to hold something and be deleted later. Anyways, that distracted me. What was I doing? Right. Basic copying, pasting. Okay. So, I understand that destination I is being set to infinity, but this predecessor... Each one's being set to -1, which I don't think is, I don't think that's important, so I'm actually gonna skip that. Now source is first to be visited, distance from source itself should be 0. Yeah, I understood that. That's what I did down here. Distance to source equals 0, so I'll just... The same thing I already did. Distance from source equals 0. I knew that already. Oh, it hasn't been... Oh, it's because I need to initialize it. Well... It's just gonna be num vertices. New and... Vertices. Right? That should be it. Alright, and then we're gonna do visited at source equals true. It's also what I had down there. And then Q add source. Yeah, we got that. Add. It's all stuff we already were doing. And then we got, okay, then we got the breadth first search algorithm. Which is what I had down here, but I trashed it. Completely ruined anything that could have been in there. So, yeah, I'm not good at this. This isn't the side of coding that I wanted to live on. I'm just here for the ride. Like this here, like, it's disgusting. Anything I added to this is absolutely gross and shouldn't be allowed to live. Alright, so can I just grab this from here? Or you're doing... Yeah, see, I did that! Oh my god, I literally did that. And I had to move it like 16 times. Because it wasn't adding up correctly, but, you know, maybe there's something I'm missing here. Like, I maybe typed it in wrong? Yeah, well, Q is not empty, but this is empty. And U? We use something else down here. And yeah. This. Right? And then we have... It's a 4 each, right? Oh no, they use... Okay. What's the difference, though? Street pass, street pass. What's that for? Would a 4 loop instead of a 4 each loop really make that much of a difference, though? You're still just going through each one. Oh, but they're using get I. Maybe that's the problem. Cats, they were in my way. Yeah, because if it's in I, if I was gonna do current vertex, it would be at every current vertex, but then it would still be the same. You never launched the Street Pass app in your 2DS? I didn't... No. Wait, yes I did. Yeah, I used to use the Street Pass. Man, it's been absolutely forever since I did that, though. So if I did... getu.size... That, yeah, that's literally this, so we can keep that. I'm gonna keep it. We'll do 4 each. I don't have to type in 4 each? Okay, never mind. I'm just dumb. Anastasia, you can't be sleeping on my hand when I'm trying to move my mouse! If you guys want a perspective. Like, do you mind? She could not care less. She couldn't. She wants... I don't want to disturb her, though. She's so cute. Alright, adjacent. For each one, yeah. Again, if this... I'm just writing the breath for search algorithm again. If that. Now that looks like something different. This visiting order, I couldn't figure out. But this visited adjacent equals true. I'm just moving everything up, basically. Visited adjacent equals true. And here's where the tricky stuff gets. So now we're going to be recording the distance. So distance at yeah, okay. Sorry, I just like brain farted. Oh, also, when you'll be finished this, maybe we can play robot video game for stream. I would absolutely love to play robot game. I don't have it installed. Is it on? What thing is it on? But the thing is, I don't know if I'll be able to finish this. It's on Steam. I still haven't signed back into Steam on here. Don't be mad at me, but... So now we're gonna do distance of previous. Oh my god, that's where I was going wrong in the first place. I kept doing... Okay, so my mistake before is that I kept doing... Let me see if I can find any remnants of it that I just deleted. So that's directions. So I was doing current distance, right? And every time it came through here, I would do current distance plus 1, which wasn't taking into account the stagnant vertex and that one's count and adding 1 to that. I was adding a count to every spot that it visited. So like where'd my little image go? Hello? My image disappeared! So like here, it went from 0 to 9, and then 9 was like a 1, right? And then it went 9 to 5. And then 5 came as 2. Because it counted from like 9 or whatever, its current distance became 2. And then from there, it goes back, and it goes to 8, but like it goes like basically across because it's going to like the next connected vertex, and it goes to the next vertex, but then it was adding another 1 with my code, and that's why I was getting like 17. I was like, there's not even 17 points. How can there be 17 spots to go? But now I know why, because I was adding it to the wrong spot. I disturbed the cat. I am sorry. I install it while this is going. I understand that. I have Steam installed, but I don't have the password. I forgot my password. So I have to actually like in-depth sign in. But I honestly, I want to get this done, and I think after I get this done, I'm probably going to sleep. But we could probably play games on Friday. Do Friday stream, that would be fun. Or Wednesday, or Thursday, depends on how we're feeling. What was I doing? Here, okay. So now I know why my code wasn't working before. And then this predecessor. I kind of want to call it previous. I don't like this predecessor thing going on. Yeah, I don't like predecessor. I prefer previous. So we're gonna call it previous. It's down here. We're gonna call it previous adjacent equals. This would be equaling current vertex. And then we do adjacent. That makes a lot more sense now. And then this, I already had that as a thing. Equals destination. If adjacent equals destination, return true. But it's not. Oh. This return true and return false. It's being a stopping condition. I'm just gonna make it break instead. Because I don't have a whatever. So that's just returning true or false. I believe in this code that return. Where is this called from? Where do they call the breadth first search? Main. Print shortest distance. Print shortest distance is here. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, here we go. Yeah, see, if it returns false, then it says that it's not possible. Returns true. Now we have a linked list to store the path. Okay. Those predecessor comes back. We're just gonna have it push through for now, because I don't know. I don't feel like using my big brain, so I'm gonna take the quick way out. We're gonna do previous, and then we also want distance in there, so I'm gonna take distance, and then we're gonna do int distance, or no, int prev, int distance. Alright, so now we're in here, right? We don't need this distances because we already have it. This is all already existing. Visited, we already know. So I don't need... This shortest path here currently has the breadth first search algorithm that I just put at the top. So in the print directions, we're not going to do that. So we're already coming from that. We're calling that from the bottom. So now we have a new linked list. Which I call the 4 directions, so I'll keep up with that because that's my lingo. Manager. Anastasia, you put your hand on the keyboard, you're gonna... face on the keyboard, you're gonna get pushed around. That's just how it works. So, directions equals new linked list. You already know what you are. So this directions, I technically... Oh, I don't have directions, I have distances, but we're gonna get rid of that. Who is it? Nobody important. Alright, we're gonna decrease the breadth for search right now so we can focus on here. So... What's this crawl? Linked list to store path. Int, I'm gonna call it search. I don't know what this crawl is supposed to mean. Equals destination. Path dot add search. Oh no, it's directions. My bad. Directions dot add search. Cheons. And then while... What is this? While previous... of destination. Or, sorry, of search. I don't know why that has to be different. It's not equal to 1. Oh, that's why it set it all to -1. I can't make it just equal to null. I'll fix that later. Don't worry. Directions. Stop that. Previous and search. I'm not sure what's going on here. I guess crawl is the current node. It's always taking the predecessor. Be aware that this constructs the list backwards from destination to source. So maybe you want to pre-append the crawl instead of appending it to the back. Yeah, -1 is the end of the path, which I didn't preset that. So I have to go back and actually do that. -1 equals no, yeah, no predecessor. So if I just put it in -1 now, would that glitch out because I didn't have the full list set to -1? Or if it's DK, March of the Minis. What timestamp am I at? 35:30? Nice! Pretty good. So no, there's the yeah, until I run out of memory. That wouldn't be the first time I caused that to happen. Ah, cat hair. So I'll go back into, let's see. Now I could, yeah, in here. That's exactly where it was supposed to be. so here I'll go through. I'll do 4 and I equals 0. I is less than vertices. Well, I could just do previous dot size or length. It's an array. I've been using so many different things. Does that work? No. Yes. Okay. I plus plus. I'm typing crooked right now. The cat is in the way. There is a method if you don't want to loop. You're right, but I feel like it's submitting this for us to be like, that seems a little ahead of the game, doesn't it? But, you know, it's fine. Then we're gonna do prev at spots. We're just gonna make that -1. That should work, right? Right? That should be a-okay. Because I don't think I need to preset anything for distance, do I? I don't think so. Because I've removed something. Thank you. It is typos like that that mess me up. Anastasia, if she wasn't sitting in front of... So, like... Hold on. That's how I'm typing right now. She's in front of all of my key things here. All of them. Makes it very difficult. Alright. Thank you for that, though. It's like having a... it's like having, like, a decoder on at the same time while I'm typing. Just be like, hey, look! That's clearly wrong. Alright. So, that's in there now, which means... that will work. Previous search, where was I? Yeah. My brain's talking to myself. Okay. So now crawl, which is search, would be equal to previous. That's not a P. Previous. And then search. And then the next part's just gonna print it out, which I feel like, why does that feel... Well, it's because I split it up into 2. And then after this, I'm gonna have to write the pseudocode, because I have... Where is that? Where did I put that? Did I lose it? Algorithms. Yeah, see, here's the pseudocode that you can see here. I started to try and think about these like distances and things, which I was getting very confused by because I don't do well writing in pseudocode. I usually have to code it because I just want to test run to see what happens. Pseudocode really messes me over. It's probably a bad thing. Should probably really learn how to do pseudocode correctly. But yeah, alright. Come back. Don't leave me. This one. Alright, search equals previous search. Right. And then down here, we're just going to be printing out the shortest path. So system.out. Path from source to destination is then from there to 4. Oh, okay, it's directions to linked list. I was like, why was I able to do that? I always mess up my linked list and then array calls. Right. Alright. Great. Oh, I forgot to put a space. Hold on. Oh. Anastasia, you're throwing me off my groove. 0956. Alright. That seems like, what are the distance used for? Isn't breadth of search usually unit cost? All cost equals 1 for edges, also easily. Yeah, so the distances for me, I know it's unweighted. So my distances is counting up how many vertices that is passing. So where did I put that? But the this here. Yeah, I'm not really using it in here then. Did I call this at all? No, I called from previous though. Oh, right. I was counting up the distance. That way I could print out how long it took to get there. Or like how many vertices in total is in that. Yeah. Yeah, this one... Hold on. Burp, 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 burp. Where was I looking? Here. So what I needed to find was the shortest path, so I don't actually have to print out how many, I just have to print out the path. At least I think so. Yeah. Z. No, it just says output the shortest path, so I don't really need distance. Excuse me. Where is distance used then? Yeah, I was just wondering, like I have it, and in my original idea, this was necessary, and now I don't know where it's used in the actual thing. Who says source equals 0? What happens if I just take it out? Take out distance here. Take it out here. Will it crash? Will it be sad? And then if I can put that back easy, so I'll just take that out. So that's not disrupting everything in here. No, I didn't even need that. Why did I have it? Oh my gosh, I spent like 4 hours yesterday trying to figure out how to implement the distance factor. I finally find something to implement the distance factor, and then I didn't even need it. Why didn't I need it? Oh my gosh. Source session previous. Wow. I can't believe I wasted all of that time. Alright, now I'm gonna do something real quick. I have to make this, like, technically user input, so do a real simple system enter start integer, or technically vertex, but it has to be an integer, so I might as well put it there. System integer. Technically, does she want it to say vertex? Does she have it? Starting vertex. I was wrong. Okay. And then I need a scanner. Source equals ba-ba-da-ba! How the heck? That's gonna be destination. And then this will be source. Source is source, and destination's destination. So now, if I say I want to spot from 0 to... What's a far one? Where was that? 7? Nine, 5, 4, 7. Now technically that could also go 9, 5, or 9, 8, but I guess because the number is less, then it goes through that way. It's just how it is, I guess. Alright! So, that works. Now I gotta put it into pseudocode. Does anyone know how to properly translate pseudocode? Let's clean this up first, and then I'll try to understand it. And then after understanding it, we'll do that. So let's take the breadth first search algorithm, pop that up here, that comment. This doesn't even need to be here. And that ends. Oops. Love auto formatting. Didn't need that. Alright, vertices. Don't need that. Do I have a Git repository or something like this? This is not currently in the Git repository, though I plan on doing that. I've been so busy with everything else that I haven't been able to upload stuff to Git. GitHub. Yeah, so here I have a couple of projects. Mostly from past classes, though. Updated 4 days ago. Oh, no, that's something I've forked. Okay. And some of them were just, like, things to help with generating information for other games that I was making. This one obviously isn't a game. This is just, I guess, practice assignment to understand complicated things that I struggle to understand. So I think that... So we want to do... display graph first? What does she want me to do? I'm sorry, my brain just zoned out. The music really took me up to a different plane for a minute there. Alright, so example output based on the previous graph. So we're going to here do system.out and aw, kitty. Me implementing graphs of JSON matrices like here. Yeah. Uh oh. You hear something? The dog? Yeah, I think I need to have... Hello. Just gave me such an angry look. Alright. Supposed to have... pseudocode... screenshots... a demo, but I don't think I need an actual matrix or anything. So I'll have to do test cases. But in the meantime, let me get this done, so it's just real quick and easy. So be regraph, and then I'll have to do the print graph, which is right there, so g.print graph. So we don't need that there. Don't need this there. Don't need this there. And then enter your starting vertex, enter your destination. Other things we need. Oh, I forgot to put a little print graph there. My bad. Do a \n. Nope. I gotta rid of this hello world. I keep forgetting, like, why does it look so weird? That's not even supposed to be there. Alright. There you go. Regraph. Print graph. Enter your start vertex. Let's go from 9 to 3. 9, 5, 6, 3. I hope that's right. Is it? 9, 5, 6, 3. Yeah, cool. So that works for the time being. And that's awesome, and we love that for us. Alright, so now it's organized. Everything technically works the way she wants it to. We'll get rid of this, because we don't need that. Don't need that, don't need that. What is this? No. I know, I got so lost. I was up till 3 in the morning last night trying to figure this out, and I went to ChatGPT, and I was like, anything would help, and it didn't. Nothing from there helped. So, note to self, don't ever go to ChatGPT for anything. Alright, University Java class of it. Time using technologies, Java API document, whatever resource classes. Oh yeah, I already did that. I need to generate how many? At least 3 graphs in text format. Right. Do I have that open? No. Alright, let's save all this before I lose it forever and cry about it. So if I can get all of this done and then basically just... what's it called? Clean it up with a nice format and comments like this has. Alright. So, does she want the breadth for search as well? Modify the algorithm so that it finds the shortest path from blah blah blah. Rename the algorithm as shortest path. Got it. Algorithm implementation. Okay, it just says that has pseudocode of the algorithm, but it doesn't say which algorithm. Well, that's fine. Get rid of this bit here. Let's make it. I'm just gonna leave it. Alright. This is all some notes up top. Yes? She scared to sleep tonight. She's so angry with me right now. It's like, what was this count for? She had a count in here. I don't understand why, but I think it's so complicated. Alright, we're actually gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna start completely from scratch with this one. God, how does one write pseudocode? I just like want to put the code in there. Why do I need the pseudocode? Alright, let's bring it back because now I don't know what I'm writing. Okay. Here we go. Mark each vertex as unvisited. Did that. For each vertex V with set of vertices V, do wow, this music takes me back. Where? What? 59. Yeah, there we go. I was like... It's like, I'm in Nintendogs. Oh man, I haven't checked on my Nintendogs in ages. They don't die, do they? I had quite a few dogs. No, Nintendogs don't die. I did hear rumors that they run away. I had some in the kennel. I had like, you were limited to 3 dogs in Nintendogs, and at some point I had like 4 or 5 because every time I got a dog in real life, I would add another dog to my Nintendogs. So when I had that, at one point I did have like 4 dogs in my house. So when I tried to have 4 dogs in Nintendogs, they were like, you can't do that, you can only have 3 in your house at a time. So I had to put one in the kennel, and I would have to trade them out every once in a while. And it used to make me sad, but like, I needed all of my dogs in Nintendogs, but now I haven't even opened Nintendogs in ages. I also haven't visited Animal Crossing in ages, but we're not going to talk about that. Alright. Mark each vertex unvisited. We're going to do that. Initiate the queue. Anastasia! God. Did you get any more in the way of the keyboard? Initiate queue. We're going to... After we initiate the queue... Oh crap, my brain just died. What happens after... Oh, previous. So, should I say that we initiate that? Or should I just leave that? Maybe I'll leave it. I'll think about it. Alright, so that's all about previous. Of course, we're going to take destination. Mark each vertex unvisited, initiate queue with each of three set. Okay, so before we initiate the queue, or no, before we do that part, we're gonna set set source as visited and queue, so that's what she was using before, and queue source. And then after you enqueue source, we're gonna do not this. This is actually wrong. I'm gonna do a while queue is not empty. While queue is not empty, we're going to have current vertex. How do I say current vertex? Oh, DQ. Got it. DQ. Anastasia, oh my god, you're so in the way. Okay, current vertex was B, the DQ. Now for each vertex EDJ in the list. Did I say list before? Is that something? Hold on. Oh wait! Oh, I'm writing this down here. Reach vertex adjacent. Yeah, adjacent to current vertex. You're right. Let's do that. Yeah. If ADJ is not visited. Oh, moving around. Alright, so now I'm down here trying to understand this. Even though I wrote it. Thought about it as I was writing it, but it's fine. So if ADJ is not visited, we're going to mark ADJ as adjacent as visited. Where did this font come from? Hello? I don't know what just happened there. Mark that as visited. Now, previous of adjacent equals current vertex. Do I have that down here? Yeah, I didn't think so. So, set previous. Previous at adjacent. God, how does one pseudocode without coding? Does anyone know? God. So set previous adjacent to current vertex. You don't go into all the details? Yeah, but it's like... How do you not go into all the details? It's so hard. Do I not? Should I not put that in? Is that something I don't include? Mark Jason has visited. Technically, this previous is my instructions for later, is it not? How do I write stuff and then not understand it afterwards? I do that all the time. I know I'm gonna have to put NQ in there though. NQ. Adjacent. And then we're gonna do... Is that lined up? No. And then if... Adjacent... is destination. Like, how often do you write pseudocode in real life, honestly? Yes, I have breakvid. Break. Don't put a semicolon there. That's makes it code, definitely. And then after that, that's all dead. We're gonna get rid of that. How many spaces do I have in this thing? Oh boy. That's the thing, distance from itself should be 0, and I understand that. And no path is yet constructed. So this is going to be this thing to recording the path, obviously. No path is constructed. Then here is where we construct the path. My eyes. There we go. Okay. Right. I get that. Okay. We're resetting. Okay. that previous add adjacent. Adjacent. Okay. Now, this is a completely different thing now. So, we gotta go into shortest path. This is obviously a lot shorter than the breadth of research because we're just using stuff from it. So, okay, grab all that. This is basically what I just put into this breadth of research pseudocode. But once find destination, it breaks. So now, so we're gonna have a directions linked list. Yes. And then, destination, to directions. This is how it would write me with pseudocode. But I quickly wrote it down now and I just don't use pseudocode ever either. Yeah, I don't know. It's... Pseudocode is like a love-hate relationship because sometimes it helps to write stuff out, but right now they're asking for like actual, I don't know, like professional thought-out pseudocode. And like, I've never written thought-out pseudocode. I bring out my sketchbook and I write stuff in random locations and put arrows to it, and then I go, oh, that seems like it makes sense, and then once I put it in code, it figures itself out. But this is dumb, like I have to dumb down? Oh, I have to dumb it down. Right? Is that what pseudocode is? You just dumb it down so people understand what you're doing? Maybe that's it. Like, maybe I'll have to have, like... Yeah, okay. Now I understand the point of pseudocode. I don't like it, but I understand the point of it now. It's like, who would I test it on? Alright, and then, while... Well, prev. Okay. I get it. Okay, so while the, here we go. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna do search. So, destination. Destination. And search. Directions. While, while previous exists for the search, we're gonna do add search. Previous search to directions. Set search to previous. Alright, I'm starting to make sense of my own code while I'm writing the pseudocode. Alright. And then we would just... That's the algorithm. I don't need to write the rest of it, because the rest of it is just printing it out. Alright. It's starting to make sense here. Starting to get somewhere. Alright. Now, comments. Alright. This has to be green. Copy. I don't know why she had like DQ and NQ as like this highlighted purple. She meowing. Where's Kitty what? Hmm? Nothing. She doesn't want anything from me. Hold on, I should probably check in on my friend. She's supposed to be doing the same thing. JB! Alright. That's good. That's good. I think that's pretty neat. Does this make sense? I don't know. I don't know if it does. Breakfast search. Is it too detailed? So, okay, so breakfast search. Here's all of the breakfast search here. So... source, well, Q is not empty. Current vertex is DQ'd. For each vertex in adjacent to current vertex. If it's not visited, mark it as visited. That doesn't make sense. Set. We'll just make that sound easier. Whoa. I'm just dumb. There we go. Set previous vertex for adjacent to current vertex. Right? And then we're just going to NQ adjacent. Nation break. Summation bound. Okay. And then here, initiate direction sense, search equals to destination. That looks goodish. Does she have like a guide? Following the pseudocode format in textbook/PowerPoint. Okay. We'll pull this over here real quick. With source. Starting vertex. Destination and extending vertex. Mark each vertex unvisited. Mission queue with source. I don't know why she put that in comments. Right? You're here? What took you so long? I have a whole playlist going. Look at all of it. What took you so long, though? Missed you. And you missed all the dead stares that I was getting from my cat. You could have just had me playing in the background. I would have sang with you. Also, I got it to work. It's working now. Look at that. Look at that. So right now I'm working on the pseudocode. Here's the actual code. Note to self, I used this. It's not, like, copy-paste exactly the same. I still used, like, the stuff that she gave us and, like, modified a little bit, but that's basically it. Yeah, a lot faster than you did. Maybe I'm just better at Google searching than you. I mean, that's the pros of a good coder, right? What is that? Anastasia, what do you want? Look at her. What do you want from me? She just sits there, menacingly. Jamie wants credit for the article. I found it first! I literally sent it to her! I've had this tab pulled up since last night at 3 in the morning. It's mine. I told her I looked this up yesterday at 3 in the morning, looked at it, went, I'm too tired to read it, and then I went to bed. But I kept it because I knew it would be good. What was I doing? Please play it next. Dot. I'm full of it! Excuse me? I am not! I'm telling you, I was up till 3 a.m. And then she went, I found something on Geeks for Geeks. I was like, oh, it's probably the one I found. So I copied it, put it in the Discord, and went, is it this one? And she went, yeah, it is. Which means I had it before she found it. Anastasia! Come here. Come. She doesn't like to be held, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Shh. Hush. There. How would she be able to say it's the same one if she didn't already find it first? But she didn't send it to me. And same one, I sent her the link, which means she could have opened it. The fact of the matter is, I was the source of the link making it into the Discord. The hesitation! Oh my goodness. Over for me? I dare. I dare you. Hit you with my slipper. I'm gonna whack you with it. Ugh. Anyways, I was supposed to be looking something up on YouTube. Right? So quiet. We'll have to play another time. She's still meowing by the door, you can see her. There. Is this pseudocode making sense? Does this look okay? Try my best. What? She doesn't get the, like, the glowing evil eyes anymore, though. It's kind of sad. It's colorful, so probably good. Makes sense. Alright, so I'm gonna copy that, then, and basically put that down here. With source. Anastasia, you're gonna rip the door. Oh, okay. What's the assignment for? It's an algorithms class, so everything's based around known algorithms and, like, learning how they work and how they function and all the math involved and all of that stuff. I am just dumb. I'm just not a smart person. is Q. Q is not empty. For some reason this is purple, so I'm gonna make it purple. The Blossom algorithm? Oh god. What is that? The kitty cat algorithm? Kitty cat algorithm is just gonna be like pick her up to make her stop screaming. And the sunshine algorithm. Y'all just saying algorithms. All of this visited and unvisited. Italicize will make it red just to make the people happy. Give the people what they want. Selection sort. Can leave. Only merge sort is allowed to stay. Sorry. I don't make the rules. Oh, see? If it's not overcomplicated, then I'll take it. Bring on the Blossom algorithm. I'll accept it into my garden of algorithms. And I'll be happy about it. While a previous vertex exists. So the previous vertex here is actually in a list. So, like, I don't know. How should I mark that up as? Instead of making it blue, I think I'm just gonna italicize it. So I'm not entirely sure what to do with that. Italicize. Source to directions. Set source to previous vertex. Alright. You chillin'? And then that will actually move through. Vertices! There we go. Oh my god. Right? Does that make sense? I don't have a lot of comments on this other part, but I don't think I need them. Well, input, we don't have a graph. So input, we have source, source, destination, destination vertex. Mumbling to myself. How did yours look, Ty? And, previous, which is the previous, new name unlocked? But like, nobody's ever called you Ty? What else do I have to do, or is it just BFFs? This one's just BFS. Thank God. Ugh, but wrapping your head around it. Even right now, I'm like... brain dead. Okay. Yeah, so this should be... I think that should be done. This, I believe, needs to be blue. If I'm correct. Or red? Make it a... set in group chat. Pizza? I want pizza. I don't want to download it, though. What if you're trying to send me suspicious things? Just put a screenshot in the chat. Or in the group chat, like, I don't want to read. You know? That's too much work. And I'm lazy. I don't know, I feel like that's it for this. I don't think there's anything else I could add that would make it make more sense. Yeah, and then I can just start commenting on stuff, so... Let's try our best to make it look pretty. The cat is back up here. Right out of view. There's pseudocode in there, too, if you want to look at that. Yeah, I'll probably take a peek at that before submission. Let's get rid of this. And then we'll just do... This is the BFS algorithm. First, the graph. Search. Is the input defined to be n nodes from 0 to n minus 1? Otherwise, stuff may break. I don't know! Input defined to be... What do you mean by that? Are you talking about, like, the amount of vertices involved? Yeah. So, the vertices, we were told that the upper limit for the amount of vertices we should have, vertices, whatever, how you say them, would be 50. So up here, hold on, there we go. So I set it to 50, and then I read and make the graph, and then I made a method called clean. So it actually cleans up the excess. It's really simple. It just takes the list of vertices, and then any vertice that has not been implemented is just taken out and then reduces it to just the normal list size. You didn't see the 50 limit? Well, that's like how mine was ready to go, like, across all different graphs for a hot minute there. Thank God it didn't, but it was close. It nearly did. And that probably would have taken me an extra week and a half. Number 0149. Well, yeah, but yeah, it's only numbers. They all go in number order because the graphs that we're taking in come from a specific whatever it is. Where is that? Open folder. Comes from this program. Got a random graph visualization. Hop in here. Run that. Then it gives us the list, and then gives us the graph. And then over here, I believe this updates the graph text, doesn't it? So it prints it out here with all of our edges and connections. And then maybe not? Yes, it does. There it is. So I'll just take that graph and then upload it into my thing. 1 to 50 may be problematic if your array only supports 0 through 49. Well, no, the number of edges starts at 0. So it'll, like, the total will be technically 50 vertices, but they'll be numbered 0 through 49. Starting your names from 1. It might be an issue. Yeah. Oh, should I probably take... How many different test cases did I need? Your node objects has a string for the name. I thought about that. I was this close to doing that, just because my brain was visualizing it better that way. But, obviously the way she coded it and gave us, like, the base program, it was not fitting, or else I was gonna have to rewrite everything. So then I just didn't. I was like, I'm just gonna keep using the format that she made it as and ignore whatever my brain's trying to tell me to do. I'm gonna run that again. So we're allowed to use... We have to have 3 test cases. Is that including the original graph text she sent us, or no? But would I be able to use this? Is this something I'd be able to use? Because what was the thing? It's just gotta make sure they're... Where did I put it? It's in this one, right? Because one connected component. As long as I don't have any separations, then it's okay. Make sure I only generate connected graphs. At least 10 vertices each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly 10! That's wonderful. This is the graph associated with it. 6, 9, 8. Nice. Yeah. How'd you load them in? Copy. Copy. Then over here. And then... Do that next. Yeah, because I just want to know if I should get rid of my original one or keep it. Save that. So this is graph 2. And we'll do another one. We'll call it graph 3. Oh, Anastasia, this is what happens when you sit so close. It's accidentally like punched her in the face. Ah! Let's generate another graph. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are they all like only 10? So it seems like. Now this one's 10, 5, 6. You know what? I'll just do 4 just in case. That way I'll have the original, but I'll also have the rest. Make sure to show how good your code is. What if it's not good, though? What the song is from? Sure. We're at 149. Sunshine, Super Mario 3D World? Or Training Menu Wii Fit Plus. somewhere in this line of things. 947. Yeah, I think it was this one. You're welcome. Graph 4. Hello. A little wonky there, aren't you? Graph. I didn't count. He's struggling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They all have 10 no matter what I do. There's 8, 9. 0, 7. Copy. We're gonna come down here. Sit there. Save that. All of our graphs are done now. Yeah, I'll save it. It's good for sure. I hope so. Where? Should I, like, make a question of, like, which graph do you want to see? If I have all of these graphs? Just, like, but how should I load them in? Like, should I load them in as a loop, or just leave the graphs here and have her manually put them in? I'm just gonna do what I want to do. I need to do 3 screenshots. True. That was kind of a dumb choice. Okay. 4. Wow, 9 has a lot of connections. A little much. From 9 to 0. Huh. Seems to be working. I just ran it once for each graph, and also she wants the graph files included in the submission. Well, yeah, that's gonna be in the project folder. Ooh. New donation. Thank you. That's really appreciated. That's so tiny. I should probably increase the size of that. Hold on. There we go. Thank you so much for that, though. Every penny counts. I don't feel like making it run like that. Should put a while loop so it's continuously runnable. Do I want to do that? Not really. I need to be coding stuff. Little BFS and Java help, please. Yeah. I have a typo. Where's my typo? Please? I don't think that's a typo. That's just a figure of speech. You're a typo. You exist to be a typo. Did you know that? I don't think I need this throws exception anymore. Breath for Surfs is Java? Apparently not to everything else. I kept finding it in, like, CSS and JavaScript and everything else. So people know what I'm coding in. There's a kitty. Kitty. In front of the keyboard. Making my life difficult. She's cute though, so it's okay. I think she's been lonely. Kitty. Should I just like... What's it called? What's it called? Comment. Should I just comment this all tomorrow? Should I do it today? Could probably do it today, but I don't really wanna do it today, you know what I mean? Like... don't really feels like it. I got some candy though. I have so much food in my room. Eh? What do you mean, eh? Like, should I comment it tonight or should I comment it tomorrow? That's not like a today or tomorrow thing that you just said. I should comment it tonight. Tomorrow? Just the title, thank you. Appreciated. I have conflicting things. Should I put the effort in tonight? We'll wait and do the effort tomorrow. This cat does not want me to code, though. Do it tomorrow. But I'm such a stickler, which means now I want to do it tonight because you've told me I should do it tomorrow. I did do a lot of work. What is this? Oh, this is the graph from before. You have a good point. How did the art one turn out? Oh! Right, I'll show you guys. Alright. So before working on this, I was doing two things. Make it just camera. Hello. All of spring break, I was working on this. Come on. Focus, friends. There we go. Little accordion book. Pretty cool. Has a little latch so it opens up. Whoa, it kind of exploded. But here's the one side. There's 12 on this side. And 12 on the other side, which makes it 24 pieces total. That's upside down. I'll show you one by one. Because I don't have a camera that's good enough to actually look at things. So, start from here. Come on. You got this, friends. Focus. There we go. Little illustrations. Anybody who's on like the software Twitch search bar right now is like, what on earth? It's okay, embrace it. All the little rats and their associated flowers and herbs and plants and stuff like that. About probably 20 to 30 minutes per piece. Vote for Cherry Blossom as a sticker. What, this one? Or what? Oh, which one? Which one's Cherry Blossom? Did I have a Cherry Blossom? This one? The purple background? This one? Because that's technically an apple blossom. Thank you. Say, where were we? We were over here towards Basil. Basil and Bluebell. Make merch of them. I would gladly do so. So yes, here's the rest of them. It just keeps going. It's like, you don't think it's that big, but then it just doesn't end for a while. You're like, what's going on? So yeah, those are all of them. Just finished those today. And then on the other side, we have the same flowers with the same background, same order, except in star-shaped. Whoa. God. The one at the beginning? This one? This one right here? Okay, so that one is... Hold on. All the flowers came from this book. And for the life of me, I think it started with an A. right after, or right before basil. Oh wait, no! Yeah! It's azalea! I made it pink because I didn't have any red marker. But, yeah. Yeah, so that's all the rats. Very cute. And we flip it over. All the fish are the same flower, same backgrounds. But, you know, whoops. But instead of rats, they're little fishies. Technically going backwards through this, but... they just keep coming. Yeah, I suddenly got, like, super detailed on this side. I don't know why. It's just, maybe it's because of the eyeballs, I had to get that shading in. But it just, like, continued to this one here, too. But I kind of toned it down on the next one. Yeah. I love him. He's just so out there. Yeah, the Aster one. Here, where is he? The little yellow one. The lavender one! Oh, are you talking about this one? Surprise, surprise, that's actually basil. Did you know that basil had purple flowers? 'Cause I didn't. And I thought people would think it's lavender. That's why it really played into, like, the actual basil leaves on the tail and stuff. But, you know, to each their own. So yeah. I do kind of want to see if I can get some nice scans of, like, each of them, and then make some, like, stickers or something out of it. Because they're super cute, and I really like them, and I spent a lot of time on them, so they should get recognized. But if anybody needs some flower references, it's a very good book. The pictures are kind of dull, but I think that's nice. But, like, the leaves, I will say, are not that accurate. I'm going to try and make a Game Boy Advance game? Why? Yeah, like, look at the eucalyptus. Just cuz. I mean, I support. Go for it. Oh. Yeah, I had to have that book open for so long, though, so it's like... it wants to force itself open now. So yeah, that's how that's going. So I finished that. I showed the animation that I finished at the beginning of stream, and I also showed the Mario directions, which is my gateway into game dev now. Getting the HTML stuff going here. Just like, I never saw her do that before. It's just her head like just yelling. But yeah. Oh, what she's doing. So I could get the screenshots today. But then I think after that, then what do I need the screenshots of? Let's take a look, shall we? Where did I put all my thingy-majiggers? I'm so uncomfortable in my chair. I've been sitting all day, every day, 24/7. Alright, so we got this. She wants 3 graphs in text format. Each graph has a test case you used. Screenshots of running code and corresponding test cases. But how many screenshots? Just like any? I could do like test case for each graph, I guess. She's still meowing back there. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna run it. Graph 1. 0. 7. This. Oh my goodness, Anastasia! What a baby! Do 2. Goes. Wait, so 0 to 7. 0, 9, 5, 4, 7, 6. Alright. We'll get a screenshot of this one. She's so annoying sometimes. It's like, you're here. I'm all you need, and yet she wants to leave. Am I in the wrong? Alright, then we're gonna get another one. But nope, not yet. She's so sad. We grab 3. We'll do... 4 till 1. Alright. Alright, and then we'll do one more. Four. We'll go from 5 to 6. There we go. I don't know, I'm just guessing here. No real rhyme or reason. Alright, those are all my screenshots, I think. She will not stop meowing. Alright, so I have a screenshot. Each one corresponds with the graph that it needs. Set up a time for a demo. So we need a doc PDF. So this is that. I think that's as far as I'm gonna get with whatever pseudocode is supposed to be. So yeah. File. I was gonna put everything into this project folder. Like, literally everything. Here it goes. Nope, that's wrong folder. In here, we'll do pseudocode. We're just gonna save it in there. There it is! That's done now. So now the pseudocode's in there. Whoa, that's not right. Just make sure that's in there. Alright. I think that'll be it for today. I don't feel like doing anything else. I got the doc. I got the screenshots. So all I gotta do tomorrow is contact it. Thank you for the follow. That's appreciated. So then tomorrow all I gotta do is the comments. I always forget. And then submission. Which should be pretty smooth. Hopefully. One can pray. Get that ready. This is on my laptop, so it should be fine. How is style of code? Hello, kitty. I mean, it's looking pretty good. I've worked off of what she already had. And, we implemented that, formatter for VS Code, so everything basically formats already. Or at least it should. I know it works on my computer. On my laptop, I'm not sure if it actually works as well. Maybe tomorrow I'll have to see if I can fix that. But for the moment, it's working. For the moment, we're Gucci. She doesn't like me. Yeah, everything's saved. I'll have to start actually pushing this stuff to GitHub though. We keep making things and I just keep ignoring GitHub. Especially with the HTML stuff that we're doing. But yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. I deserve some sleep. I'm a tired girl. I'm sleepy. And my room's a mess. This music started playing and I thought it was playing outside my headphones. It scared me. But yeah. So. Jamie, do you need help? Because honestly, the Geeks for Geeks was very useful. But if you do still need help after that, what is my class going to be like tomorrow? Let's take a look. She didn't say if I needed anything in particular. Usually she makes an announcement to be like, hey, these are the things you should bring into class. But tomorrow is critique, so we probably actually won't be doing anything. You let me know tomorrow? Are you sure? Because tomorrow's gonna cut it close for that deadline. And I don't advise cutting it close to the deadline. I also really want to play games. Not right now, because I'm exhausted, but I haven't played a game on here in so long. I kind of want to play, Escape Simulator again. We didn't really get to play that a lot because it kept crashing. I'm not playing Valorant, I refuse. Any first-person shooter co-op type game that plays online, I'm currently trying to not do. Not because I don't think they're good, it's because I'm terrible at them. I'm absolutely horrible. Yeah, Escape Sim, John was saying he wanted to play this Gundam game. Stream until it crashes. It's gonna only be like 10 minutes. And we'll only get 10 minutes in. I just realized I don't have an overlay on here. There we go. No. Well, I mean, my side was usually... Well, no. I did crash out of it, didn't I? I still have the recording for that. I have to edit it. It's been only a year since I did that. But, you know, that's how it goes. Put the light on here. You could sit and chat for a while, though. Update to just chatting stream. Could do that. There we go. But yeah. Because we could play Escape Sim. I have to get into Steam so I can download these games again. Trying to remember all the games I had. So it'd be Steam. What else? Steam, Epic Games. I had. I feel like I had something else, and I'm just like blanking on it, and I don't know what it is. Can we play a horror game, Jamie? You know I don't do well. The one with the cult, like the lamb one. I could probably do that one. Or the dolls. Don't. I don't think dolls are gonna do well. Because I have... Hold on. Let me do something real quick. Oh, Pacify. That's a good game. I was getting okay with that one. I wasn't as terrified of that one anymore. My self-control was going up when it came to that game. Where is Steam? Hello? There it is. Updating. Of course it's updating. I just wanted to see what I have. Our parasocial relationship is now formed. I love chatting in your chat. Let's be friends. Sure, we're friends. Unless it wasn't to me and it was to Jamie, then we'll still be friends. You don't have a choice. Why is she just, like, just out of frame? Earthquake! Okay, you get an ear. Nope, not anymore. I tried. You can't say I didn't. I genuinely tried to get Kat on stream. She's camera shy, I guess. Nico me. No. Rejected. What was I doing? Steam. Crap. Yeah? Never get into my friggin' Steam. Enter the code? God, where's the Steam thing gonna be? Which email? I have like 16! Help! Oh god. Good night. Have a good time. How much do you want to bet that it's on, like, the email that I've never touched in the last 6 years? Spam? No. What? There it is. God, it only took 6 years for it to find my email. Having fun, cat? Something went wrong. Thank you. I'm really struggling. I didn't think I'd struggle this much to sign into my account. We're in! Awesome. We love that. None of them are ready to play. Of course not. These are the games we got. Alright. A lot of them are horror games until I found out that I can't play them. And they don't work for me. But that one's terrifying. Didn't get to play that. This is fun. Updated 1 week ago. We should play it. Duck Game. This is also fun. Budget Cuts. Fun game. I played only a little bit. A little confusing. Fun. Haven't played yet. Fun. This is very fun, actually. Played. I didn't get to finish, so I don't know if my progress saved before I had to restart my computer. This I wanted to play. Rusty Lake Hotel. Stumble Guys is always fun. 2.5 hours? When? Oh, some we're testing stuff for VR's thing. So this is like currently what I have. Just from Steam. I have to re-download Epic Games and everything else. But yeah. Pick FMAF? I can't. Oh god. I honestly... I try... Dude, you have no idea. I try so hard to play the original FNAF, and I can't. Like, I get so much anxiety and, like, suspense from it. And this is the thing, it doesn't even have to be a scary game. Like, once there's suspense and I think it's eerily creepy, my brain does the rest and I'm dead. It's not a fun time. But yeah. You can look at that, figure out what games you might be interested in later, and maybe we'll play some. As hopefully things start to lighten up. It might not, but it could. In the meantime, I'm gonna go to bed. So, y'all have fun. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm not gonna,